Let's trim and crumb coat a square cake today. To trim your square cake, place your hand on your cake and then put your knife straight on the side of your cake and then cut straight down. When you do that, you see that there are some excesses on the side just before you start. Make sure that your knife is just cutting only the excesses that are bulging out. Do that on all the 4 sides. You have to be careful so that you do not cut out more than necessary. So it's always advisable that you cut gradually. Don't cut in very deeply. So if this is your first time on my channel and you like what you're seeing, please look below and click the subscribe button. We are all about cake decoration. We love to make cakes, we love to bake, we love to decorate, we love to work with fondant, we love to work with wafer paper. We just love caking it. So if this is what you want, then please click the subscribe button and subscribe. And also, we'll be happy if you drop a kind comment. You can share this with your friends, you can share this to all your social platforms. We'll be very happy. Also, do not forget to give us a thumbs up too. Alright, so we are almost done with this. We also have a video on how to trim and crumb coat a round cake. If you have not seen that, you should check below in the description box. I have the link to where you can watch that. So it's time to clean up and then we are going to get started with our crumb coating. So we are doing a crumb coat with some buttercream. So while you are doing it, make sure that you enhance all the sharp sides of your square. Make sure that your edges look sharp enough because you want your edges to be super sharp when you are going to be covering them. I'm going to be covering this cake on fondant, so I want to make sure that my edges are super sharp and look neat, so that it will be getting ready for my fondant covering. So I'll be posting the tutorial on how to cover a square cake next, so please watch out and learn how to do it. Alright, so we have come to the end. I hope you really enjoyed it. You can see that our edges are super sharp, ready for the next covering. Remember to subscribe and share our video. Thank you.